Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken stock for ramen. This foundational broth is crucial for an authentic bowl, providing a rich, savory base. We will go step by step, ensuring you create a flavorful stock that elevates your ramen experience. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into something truly special, perfect for your next homemade ramen. For our stock, you will need about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones, such as backs and necks, for the best flavor. We will also add 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 stalks of celery, roughly chopped. Don't forget 4 cloves of garlic and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger for an aromatic boost. Cover everything with about 4 quarts of cold water. Once your ingredients are in the pot, bring it to a very gentle simmer over medium-low heat. It is crucial to avoid a rolling boil, as this can make your stock cloudy. As it heats, skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface during the first hour. Let it simmer gently for at least 4 to 6 hours, maintaining a low, consistent heat. After simmering, carefully strain your rich chicken stock through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the solids. You are left with a beautiful, clear liquid. Now, it is vital to cool the stock rapidly. Place the pot in an ice bath to bring down its temperature quickly. Once cooled, store it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze it for several months of delicious ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.